I made a chair and a bird. They travel through time together. This is the Italian Renaissance. I'm making an armchair with curved legs. Those were pretty common at the time. The leather seat is made of real leather, but I had to make it thinner for the right proportions. I soaked it in water to make sure it keeps its shape. The needles were too shiny, but other than that, they make great nails. It's the Italian Renaissance, so you are probably Leonardo da Vinci and want to hang your own art in your own house. I didn't find a lot of birds in his paintings, but he made dozens of these sketches and notes for a flying machine. He made these in ink on paper, so I am using the thinnest paper and the smallest quill I have. If you're wondering what I'm writing, it's this, because I can't read what Da Vinci wrote, and it seemed fitting.